this is the Desmos Scientific Calculator. Right now it is in degree mode, which is what we want. If I click on this button, you can see that it goes to RAD, which is radian mode. You do not want radian mode. It's a different measure. It's a different way to measure angles. It's something that we'll talk about when we get to circles, but for now we want to use degrees. Okay, so if I wanted to do this, all I have to do is I have sine, cosine, and tangent. So if I wanted to find the sine of 27 degrees, now it says 0.45399. If I wanted to round that, I'd say 0.454. The reason why is this number, the fourth digit, 9, rounds that 3 up. Okay, so sine of 27 is 0.454. Cosine of 31 degrees, oops, you have to put the function in, is 0.857. Now that's 0.857 because this 1 here means you round down. Okay. Finally, tangent of 63 degrees says 1.9626, etc. If I were to round that to 3 decimals, 1.963. Again, it rounds up. Okay. So the expectation is when you're doing Trig's functions, I will ask you to round them. Typically, I'll ask you to round them to 3 decimal point places. If it asks you for something else like that, then just be aware that that could happen as well. Okay, that's it.